Hello, WordPress website creators. Cybersecurity is most discussed topic nowadays in the digital front. And when you are targeting to make a website for cybersecurity services agency or company, you are watching a very correct video. In this video, we are going to create a demo website using CyberGuard WordPress theme, which offers 5 pre-made layouts that you can see. All the layouts are really amazing and professional in look. This is second one, and very quickly this is third one, fourth, and the fifth. So you can target any of these layouts with the CyberGuard WordPress theme. And after watching this video, you will be able to understand the installation process, the customization option available with the CyberGuard, and how easily you can launch your website. So let us begin without any further delay, and you can buy the theme through the video description link. So this is a very good theme because it is a very new theme. So this is going to give you a very unique website. So CyberGuard is a premium WordPress theme designed specifically for cybersecurity companies. So IT security consultants and digital protection service provider services. So this is very important topic. As I said, you can check all the details through the video description link, and let us first install the theme. So I'm ready with this core and fresh installation of WordPress, which is using 2025 default WordPress theme. Okay, so I need to check the default theme is also not here. So, okay, not a problem. And here it is, the default theme 2025. Sorry. Now, CyberGuard is the target theme that we are going to overview in this video, and it comes with the Elementor page builder and featuring the latest web technology and enjoyable UX and most beautiful design trends. So let us start. So I got the theme pack, and surprisingly, this wonderful theme is available just for $19. Yeah, all because it is a new theme, and in this $19, you will get the quality check by Envato, the future updates for this theme, 6 months support from the Brevis theme. So we have already seen some good themes from this theme house, and they are late author at Envato Market, of course. So in the theme pack, if we check, so this is installable theme file which we are going to use just 2.5 MB inside, very optimized, and the plugin Brevis add-ons is also here, licensing part that we can check. Okay, so we have to use this one, and we can proceed for installation in the appearance section here on the fresh installation under themes, add new theme, upload theme very confidently, and choose the file that you only need to choose. So that means don't try to upload the complete folder, just select the cyberguard.zip file. Okay, click on install now. It will hardly take few seconds depending upon your server and hosting capacity. And I wish to show you the exact time. So it is here and it is installed. I can go to the theme page just to check the details for the CyberGuard is here, and I'm using very first version. So as I said, this is a new theme that got in market 28th of October, and I'm recording this on 4th of November. Okay, so this is very good, and I'm happy to cover this theme. So it is a very new theme. Okay, right. So we can activate the theme here, and upon activation, we have this setup wizard. So we can start with the activate theme, and we can start. And once we activated the theme, so we have to register, of course, with the keys that you'll get at the themeforest.net. And as I said, the links have been given in the video description where you can buy the theme at Theme Forest. Okay, so the next step is the install plugins, which is very important step. And here we can check which plugins we are going to install, which are required, and in fact, all are required. So Brevis add-ons for adding the theme features from the theme developer, contact form 7 as usual, MailChimp again for email subscription. Redux is the framework that has been used. It is a very, very smart and effective framework that works very fine with the Elementor page builder. Elementor is here, classic editor, and one user avatar. Okay, so we can simply install all these plugins. I just click on install and I can see this green tick box which is saying the plugins are being installed. So we need to wait on this screen until all turns green. And finally, Redux Framework plugin is being installed. It hardly took 30 seconds for me, and it can be same for you if you are using a WordPress optimized hosting plan. And where you can get WordPress optimized hosting plan at a very nominal price, the answer is laying in the video description link. Simply follow the link, go to the WP Themes website, explore the hosting tab. There you'll find all great hosting providers. Right. So the next step is very clearly visible here. We have to import a demo. So this is the option and import demo, preview demos, and we can simply click on import demo since we are creating a demo website. And after setting up this demo site, we will be able to check our new websites, the options that we can use for customizing our website. And here we can choose further what we actually want to import like media attachments, all the images, the content itself, the theme options, widgets, and the settings. So we can even skip the post just in case and crop the image after image finish. So it is all by default is checked. What is required here? Simply click on import demo and this process will start the demo import process in just 1 second. It reached to 40 after 60 and it is 100. Oh, it is like a cricket match. And your you are ready and yes, so it is unbelievable for me how fast it was and I can click on extras first, help center, get theme support, theme options. But let us first check our new website. And if it is okay, it is surprising for me and it is really here. How fast it was and how clearly it got installed without any trouble, without any issue. We got this website and if we check the other home pages, it is showing like this. Don't worry. So just go back and dashboard and for the settings and permalinks, just select the post name. If it is already selected, just hit the save changes. Go back to the website and this time the first is here and the second layout homepage can be seen now with this wonderful design. All we got here without any trouble difficulty, we got all the home pages and it is really very smooth installation and it remained very clear and crisp. And if we check the pages, how many pages we have got, 19 pages with all the home pages, 1 2 3 4 5 internal pages like pricing, projects, and the sample services page. You can use all these pages for your actual website. Just you need to customize the content, update the content, and you'll be fine to launch your website. Simple. Yes, it is all here. So now we can check media items. How many media items was included? Okay, so 79. And the post, if we can check all the posts, it is here 7 posts. So all these contents are demo, of course, and we just need to update our own content by replacing all these. And don't keep any demo content at your live website. Now, this is a time when I can show you all the customization options, all the backend options that you can use directly for customizing your website. So CyberGuard, this is the theme panel. I can see dashboard is here. So it is all saying enable auto updates, exclusive and the premium plugins and the premium support. Thanks for verification. Oh, okay, so it is showing the system status as well. Okay, and the install plugin import demo options that we have already used. So the theme options can be the next screen that we can check. So here is the theme control panel, and in this panel we can simply change the color, primary, secondary, link colors, gradient colors, body color, and header color. Basically the customization. Fav icon is the next. Mouse loader, the cookie policy, subscribe, the smooth scroll, header options. the mobile header, the page title, the footer option, blog archive, the typography, the extra post type, and the import export. All great options, very simple and easy to handle. Templates we can check in the next. So there are some templates that has been created using Elementor. You can directly jump to the respective like header, footer, mega menu, page title, whatever you want to edit. It is very simple again, and I feel you can do all these things at your own. No, you do you have any doubt? Don't worry, we are here to support you through our iCreate program. Just follow the video description link, go to the WP Themes website again, and reach on the iCreate website by following the menu link. Click on this live chat support icons. Support icons means live chat icon where you can connect a mentor directly here. You just need to buy the theme here through the video description link at themeforest.net, and the iCreate program is going to be absolutely free for basic supports, right? So it is all for you. Okay, we can come back to this screen, and next I can see here the portfolio where you can edit all your content, and rest of things are very common as in simple WordPress installation. And if we talk about the front end page editing, content editing, so Elementor is here, and we can simply start customizing our website content using the links here. Like if you want to change the slide 1 2, you can change directly from here, and it is good to click on edit with Elementor where you can control and customize and change all the content using the Elementor page builder. So it goes without saying, Elementor is a very easy to use page builder, and you can handle your content very easily. Just click on the respective area. This is the hero area that you can edit separately by following the Elementor link that I showed you. And here you can simply click on the area, and you'll be able to change the content, links, tags. What you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image, same length of text content, what has been used in the demo site, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website, and rest things are going to be super fine. And just in case if you have any trouble, write in the comment section or get in touch with us on the live chat. We are here to support you. Let's just start creating a cyber security website using this CyberGuard WordPress theme, and it is going to be a perfect choice. But you have options to choose and compare other themes as well on this channel. You can find around 1000 plus WordPress themes to choose and compare. So don't miss to watch other videos on this channel, and let us meet on the next video with some more great useful resources for your WordPress website. From my side, this option 5 is very good, so you can go with this. Okay, so let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.